Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Anglo 11 how to use reactive form part 3. So friends, in part 1 and part 2, I have shown you how to use, how to validate and how to bind reactive form input feeds value. So friends, in this video, I will show you how to get input feeds value on button click. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Anglo 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen, you can see Anglo 11 with reactive form and default values. First name, gender, age and email. So friends, now I will click on submit button, then I will get all these input feeds values. So friends, now I'm going to show you username Ajay Kumar, email therichpost.com, gender male and age 18 to 25. So friends, have you seen I am getting all the feeds value. So friends, now I will show you working code. And friends, it's very simple. So friends, here is that code. This dot form name dot value dot input field name. Again, this dot form name dot value dot input field name. I will show you. So friends, input field name is first name. So I have used here. Like all, for email, for select gender and for select age. So friends, have you seen? It's working fine. And friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And friends, in my next video, I will show you how to reset reactive form input fields after submit button clicked. So friends, for this, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.